Alright, so here is my new sniper rifle. I wanted to pick up a sniper rifle because once in a while you need to shoot long distance and it's fun to target shoot with. It's an AGM M14 R.I.S sniper rifle. It does have the tactical rail to put on top with a scope, but I like open sights, so that's what I have. I'm going to shoot a little bit of targets here with it. We're about 20 feet away or so we're going to go ahead and just take a couple shots at the target and see how it hits. This is first fires with it, so here we go. As you can see, the target's over there. It is spring. One thing I would say about it is the draw on it is a very tough pull. So here we go. We'll fire about 5 shots and then we'll check and see what we got, and then maybe I'll readjust the sight. Now this is right out of the box. I haven't adjusted anything. And we'll shoot one more, and we'll check out and see how it hits. Okay. I really like the gun. It's heavy. It's about 8 pounds. The sling's a little cheap. You probably get a better sling for it. So let's go over here and check it out. Again, I fired 5 shots, and I'm going to say that that's pretty darn accurate. I mean, 5 shots, and we'll just move it over here into the light a little better. Again, that was 5 shots. You just saw all 5, and that's without really adjusting it. That's pretty much right out of the box. Now, I'm not using a rack or anything like that to shoot off of. That was just holding it based on the laying down. I don't have a bipod on. I would probably recommend that, but as you can see, they're pretty accurate. Now they're starting to come loose, but they were grouped there pretty darn tight. I would say that's pretty good. Maybe a minor adjustment other than that, and these are only .20. So I would say if they were .25 or maybe .3, they'd probably be a little more accurate, but I'm very pleased with it. It's a great gun. Thanks for watching.